तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं देव सर्वं मम देवदेव। ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मायमृतङ्गमय। मङ्गलं भगवान् विष्णु मङ्गलं गरुडध्वज मङ्गलं पुण्डरीकाक्ष मङ्गलाय तनूहरे। सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते।
Thank you, Acharya Rahudev, for that beautiful start to our evening. Now, I would like to invite our Premier and esteemed dignitaries to join Acharya Pandit Rahul for the lighting of Diya ceremony, symbolizing prosperity, peace, and unity.
ॐ दीपो ज्योति परब्रह्म दीपो ज्योति जनार्दन दीपो हरतु मे पापं संध्या दीपो नमोस्तुते। शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं सुख संपदा आत्मबुद्धि प्रसादेन दीपो ज्योति नमोस्तुते। ओंकारं बिंदु संयुक्तं नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिना कामदं मोक्षदं चैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः। स्वस्ति न इंद्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमि स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवा भद्रं पश्यमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनुभिर्व्यशेमहि देवहितं यदायुः। ॐ श्री गणपतये नमः। गौरी गणेशाम्बिकाभ्यां नमः। स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय
Well, thank you so much, Peter. And I know what you're thinking. Let's get back to the singing and the dancing and the music, and we will get back to that very shortly. I want to just thank my colleagues for being here with me this evening. Of course, Mohammed Yassin, our Minister of Immigration and Multiculturalism, Minister Rajan Sani, Minister of Advanced Education, Tanya Fur, Minister of Arts and Culture. We have MLA Miles McDougall, and we also have Minister Mickey Amory, our Minister of Justice, and the Chief of Police, Mark Neufeld, is here to join us as well. But thank you again, because it's already been a pleasure to join you this evening, and I know there's so many more performances coming, but it's wonderful to be with so many proud Albertans to celebrate Diwali and Bandur Chor Diwas. I understand the celebration of Bandur Chor for the Sikhs relates to the sixth Guru of the Sikhs, Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji. And I must tell you that having everyone here today is a great joy to us, because it seems like these gatherings just keep getting bigger and bigger. It's a reflection, I think, of the Hindu and Sikh presence in our province. Both communities have been here for generations, putting down roots and building up Alberta, and you have been incredibly generous about sharing your culture and your values with the rest of us. And now you're sharing light as the days get darker. All of these gifts are welcome, and I'm happy to see these holidays become milestones in the Alberta calendar. I trust that this helps to assure you that you can truly be comfortable and feel welcomed in Alberta. Because as Alberta's population becomes increasingly diverse, this will become more important than ever. And that's what we're working towards, where everyone feels welcome in our beautiful province. One of the ways that we're doing that is with the help of the Premier's Council on Multiculturalism, and some of our members are here this evening. Thank you. I want to thank you for your advice. They are reviewing practices from other provinces to learn how these jurisdictions treat major holidays. The Council's findings will help us explore initiatives that give communities more flexibility in celebrating these holidays without putting too much strain on business. The Council has also provided initial recommendations, and we're studying them now. We want an environment that is fair and respectful for everyone who lives in Alberta, and we'll keep working on that with the Hindu and Sikh communities to create it. So whether you went to your local mandir or gurdwara to celebrate, I hope you have a wonderful time with family and friends. I'm going to give this a try. Peter, Diwali ki hardik shubh kamneya. Diwali ate Bandur Chor Diwas Diyan Mubarkan.
It's a true privilege to join you all today to celebrate Diwali, the Festival of Lights. And I can see a number of colleagues, as Premier mentioned, here already here are participating in this as well, and distinguished guests from all over the province. I think some of you have come from Edmonton. Diwali brings us together with friends, family, and our community, encouraging us to reflect and celebrate. Known as Deepawali by some, this festival is observed by people of many faiths and cultures and symbolizes light, joy, and new beginnings. The lights we see during Diwali serve as a reminder of the light within each of us, a light that guides us, inspires us, and unites us. Multiculturalism is a cornerstone of both Canada and our beautiful province. It enriches our lives by bringing diverse perspectives, traditions, and ideas into our communities. Like individual lights that come together to dispel darkness, each culture contributes its unique brilliance to our shared identity.
Diwali is a time of introspection, togetherness, and an opportunity to share cherished cultural traditions. A time when we are invited to celebrate the triumph of good over evil, light over darkness, and wisdom over ignorance. As the Minister of Arts, Culture, and Status of Women, it is my privilege and honor to be here to celebrate this Festival of Lights with you all. Events like this help to strengthen cultural awareness and appreciation in our province. When we celebrate our heritage and share our traditions, we create a foundation for all Albertans to come together. So thank you for sharing your celebration with us all tonight.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Good evening, everyone. My name is Gurneet Singh Paliwal, and I'm honored to share a few words with you tonight about Bundy Shore Villas. I would like to begin by giving a heartfelt thank you to all who were able to take the time out of your busy schedules to join us here tonight in celebration of the diverse religious and cultural events that help shape Alberta into the great province that it is. I would also like to extend my deepest gratitude to the Honourable Premier Danielle Smith and the rest of her team for being with us here tonight. Your presence here is truly appreciated. Bundy Shore Villas is a significant festival celebrated by the Sikh diaspora worldwide. The name translates to the Day of Liberation. It commemorates the release of Shri Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji, the sixth Sikh Guru, from it.
Dear friend, honored guest, and respected minister, it is true privilege to welcome each of you, especially our esteemed Premier, Honorable General Smith. Thank you for your joining us today celebrating this special occasion. Your presence brings great honor to our gathering. For many Hindu, life's diya smell earthland that dot every doorstep and wind shell is a way to invite the blessing of Lakshmi, goddess of wealth, prosperity into our home. In Bengal, Diwali honor goddess Kali, while in North India, it make a joy return to Rama, Sita, Lakshman and Hanuman to Ajodhya after victory over Ravan. For South India, Diwali signified Lord Krishna, defeat of demon Narsura, and others celebrate it is the marriage of Lakshmi and Vishnu. Jains celebrate Diwali to honor Lord Mahavira, attachment of freedom on this day. This light lamp represented the light of knowledge and the path of freedom. Sikh honor this time as a Bandi Chhor Divas, memory of 6th Guru Har Gobind Singh Ji, who was released from Gwalior prison with 52 rulers by his side. Their freedom and Guruji returned to Amritsar, where they celebrate with light of diya, bring joy, hope to all. Diwali bring people together, countless way, through family gathering, joy prayer at home and the temple. Share meal, light of diya and sparkling of firework that light up the sky. Yes, name Diwali came from Sanskrit word Deepavali, which means a ray of light beyond the tradition and light. Diwali is remembered the victory of light over darkness, hope over despair, good over evil. Today, as we celebrate this radiant festival, we remember that each diya we light hold the power to bring warm joy and hope into our world. And in the world that sometimes we feel divided, Diwali calls us, stand together, united by light we share. So from our heart to your, we wish you all Shubh Diwali, a very happy Diwali. May your home be filled with love, your heart with laughter, and may this festival bring endless blessing to you and your loved one.
कहते हैं किसी भी इवेंट के पीछे जो मेन होते हैं, बड़ा हाथ जिनका होता है, वो हमेशा कहते हैं स्क्रीन से परे रहते हैं। और मैं एमएलए पीटर सिंह जी की बात कर रहा हूँ कि जिन्होंने इतना बड़ा इवेंट इनकी ही हेल्प से ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ है। जो दिवाली इवेंट हमने आज मैकडोगल सेंटर में मनाया जा रहा है और जहाँ डैनियल स्मिथ प्रीमियर भी थी और भी मिनिस्टर्स आए, तो पीटर जी पहले तो बहुत बहुत बधाई हो।
थैंक यू। आप सभी को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार। और आज दिवाली मनाई गई है मैकडोगल सेंटर पे। बहुत से लोग थे, बहुत एनर्जी था, तो बहुत मज़ा आया। जो परफॉर्मेंस भी बहुत अच्छे थे, यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छी तरह से डांस किया। और मैं सभी को कैलगरियंस को, एल्बर्टन्स को ये दिवाली आप सभी को शुभ और मंगल में देता हूँ। हैप्पी दिवाली एंड हैप्पी बंदी चोर दिवस।
तो जो दिवाली का जो इवेंट था, इसका पिछले साल भी हमने देखा हुआ था, लेकिन इस बार जो एक नई चीज़, एक नया जोश देखने को मिला। और कुछ लोगों को तो मुझे फ़ोन भी आया कि हमें यहाँ आने की इजाज़त नहीं मिल पाई। तो ऐसा क्या हुआ कि लोग उमड़ के आना चाहते थे, लेकिन क्या कोई लिमिटेशन थी सर यहाँ?
जो मैकडोगल सेंटर है, यहाँ पर फायर का कैप रहता है, यहाँ पर नंबर्स का कैप रहता है। वैसे तो हम सभी को चाहते हैं कि सभी हमारे साथ यहाँ दिवाली मनाए, बट यहाँ पर जो कैपेसिटी की कैप रहता है, इसीलिए नहीं आ सके। लेकिन हम इस साल तो बड़ी धूमधाम से एल्बर्टा लेजिस्लेचर में दिवाली मनाया। बहुत लोग वहाँ भी आए। हमारी जो फेडरल बिल्डिंग है, वहाँ भी दिवाली मनी है। और बैसाखी के ये भी सेलिब्रेशन हुआ। सो हम अपनी ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ एल्बर्टा वी विल कंटिन्यू, और जल्दी हम ट्राई करेंगे हमारी कम्युनिटी को, सब कम्युनिटी को एक साथ करके और मिलाकर और सब जो त्यौहार है सेलिब्रेशन करने के लिए।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और बहुत धन्यवाद इस इतने बड़े कार्यक्रम का आयोजन करने के लिए। मुझे पता है जब भी कोई इतना बड़ा सेलिब्रेशन होता है, बहुत मेहनत लगती है। तो एक बार सब दर्शकों की तरफ से आपका बहुत ही धन्यवाद। हैप्पी दिवाली।
हैप्पी दिवाली। मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ हमारी वॉलंटियर्स को, जो बहुत अपने टाइम लगाए हुए हैं इस प्रोग्राम के लिए। ख़ासकर डेकोरेशन देख सकते हो, इतनी अच्छी सी, इतनी खूबसूरती से डेकोरेशन हुई है। और हमारे जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थे, जो सबको मिलाकर जो celebration हो सके।
So we have Mickey Amri ji with us on this auspicious event where the Diwali and Bandi Chor has been celebrated by UCP. And happy Diwali, Mickey ji.
Well, happy Diwali to you and to the entire community.
So how do you feel about this event today, Diwali celebration over here in McDougall Center?
Well, we heard a lot of beautiful words today. We heard from a number of different religious figures. We heard from a number of politicians. The Festival of Lights, the prevailing of good over evil, of hope over despair. But for me, I look around this room and I see so many Albertans coming together into one room, into the Government House, McDougall Center, celebrating together, from Buddhists to Sikhs to Hindus, and all Albertans really. And so that is a beautiful thing. That's what this is about, I think. It's about family, it's about community, it's about faith, and that's what we've accomplished here.
Thank you, Bikji. Thank you for coming today and making a big event today. Thank you so much.
Thank you to all of you, and once again, happy Diwali.